YouTube automation has taken the YouTube world by storm. YouTube automation enables the creation of faceless channels. Some of these channels make an average of about $2,500 to $5,000 per month. Today, I will show you how to create a faceless channel for YouTube automation so you can earn money as well. Welcome to this free tutorial on YouTube automation. YouTube automation has become a popular technique for monetizing YouTube videos. YouTube automation involves the use of artificial intelligence or AI for creating faceless YouTube channels. A search of the YouTube reveals a high number of faceless channels. Their number is increasing day by day. These faceless channels are monetizable. Consider the example of this channel. Using the social media platform Social Blade, we can see that this channel has earned between $608 to $9,700 per month. This shows that this channel has been able to monetize its content successfully. It has received a large number of views and has large number of subscribers. In today's tutorial, we will show you how you can create a faceless YouTube channel. The YouTube automation process basically involves 4 major processing steps. Step 1. Creating the video script with ChatGPT. YouTube automation makes use of the ChatGPT AI system to create the script. For the video, the ChatGPT system is a great tool to automatically create a script for a YouTube video. A link to the ChatGPT system is given in the description of this video. As an example, we will generate a video for a faceless motivational channel about quotes of famous historical philosophers and scholars. For this purpose, we will use the prompt shown as input to ChatGPT. We have included this prompt in the description for you to copy and use. It will produce the output in a table format as shown in the video. Copy and paste the ChatGPT output in a Word file. Step 2. Generation of images. In this step, we will generate the images of philosophers for each quote. We will use the second AI tool, that is Leonardo AI, for this purpose. Search for Leonardo AI in Google and go to its website to use it. A link to Leonardo AI system is given in the description of this video. At the Leonardo AI website, you should use the prompt that we already have in the Word file to generate the first image. Copy and paste it into the Leonardo AI to generate the image of the first philosopher. You can generate a number of images with Leonardo AI. Select an appropriate image from the generated images and download it to your computer. In the same way, you can generate your other images by copying and pasting the image prompts from your Word file to Leonardo AI. Step 3. Recording the voiceover. For voiceover, we will use the 11 Labs AI system. So we go to the 11 Labs AI website and use the text of the quotes created by ChatGPT to generate the voiceover recording. A link to the 11 Labs AI is given in the description of this video. Get started by signing up for the free version of the app. Select an appropriate voice to create the voiceover for your quotes. Copy and paste the quotes into the text box and click Generate to get your voiceover file. Download it to your computer. Step 4. Video editing. Now that we have generated majority of our assets or files for our video, we will use a video editor to put them together and produce our video. For this purpose, we will use the popular tool called Canva. So go to the Canva website and create an account to start using it, or if you already have an account, then log into it. A link to the Canva system is given in the description of this video. After logging into your Canva account, you should click the Create Design icon on top right-hand side and select YouTube Video to create a new video. This will start your video creation process. Adding a background to your video, you can select an appropriate background for your video. The background that we have selected is shown here. You can achieve minor editing of the images by selecting Edit Image feature. Uploading the video assets to Canva, you should upload all your video creation assets or files to the Canvas system. In our case, it is the images of the philosophers that we have generated with the Leonardo AI system, and the voiceover of the quotes we have generated with 11 Labs AI system. The timeline, in order to include assets into your video, you must select the individual files and add them to the timeline. In this way, they can become part of your video. We will first select the image and add it to the timeline. Adding the text of the quotes, you should select the text of the quotes from the Word file and paste it in the text box of your video. You can format the text to make it more appealing to the audience by clicking on Effects. If you desire to add animation to your text and images to make them appear more lively, then you can do so by using the animation features in Canva. You should repeat the above process of adding the images of all philosophers to the video and then adding the corresponding quotes as text in the text box. Upload the voiceover file that we have created with the 11 Labs tool and add it to the timeline. You should align the voiceover track with the appearance of each quote in the video track. You should repeat this process of alignment of the voiceover with all scenes. In this way, you will complete all scenes of your video. Previewing your video, you can preview your video to make sure that it is fit for production. After previewing your video, you can press the share button and download your completed video as an MP4 file. You can then upload your video to your YouTube channel. You now know a basic method of generating YouTube videos for a faceless channel through YouTube automation. It does not require you to show your face or use your voice in your videos. Hopefully, this will allow you to participate in the YouTube system to make money with YouTube automation. Let us play the downloaded video that we have just created. You can see that we have been able to create an effective video in a short period of time.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The greatest wealth is to live content with little.
In this free tutorial, we have shown you how to create a basic version of a faceless channel video. This has been enabled by using AI tools such as ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, and Canva. With more effort, you can create stunning videos that are much more appealing to the audience of your faceless channel. I hope this information has been useful to you. We feel that the video editing part is the most challenging step. We plan to prepare a tutorial for you on basic introduction to Canva soon. We encourage you to acquire skills in Canva on your own as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to enable us to prepare more free tutorials for you. Thank you.